I've done the motherboard. That's my first video. Just finished uploading the Blu-ray drive, and now we'll look at the power supply, see what's in one of these. So this is one of the two models that you'd probably get while opening one of these CECH A01 motherboards. Not many screws. There's one here, another two on the side, another one here in the front, another two on the other side. That's pretty much it. So let's take them out and see what's in there. This is actually a working drive, so I'm not going to actually, not a working drive, but a working power supply, so I'm not going to tear it down. But I'll point out what some of the stuff is inside. And like that, you guys know, if you guys have a dead power supply, you know what to do with it. So, one more screw I missed here in the back. So we have the top part here, my little magnet here. This is a nice piece of aluminum. Then we have the bottom here, which is steel, magnet sticks, nice and simple. Then we have a little copper over here, over here, some in here. A little bit over here too, so it's quite a bit of copper, or as some people would call them, copper bearing motors. Unless you open them up and strip the copper, then you just have copper. This screwdriver here is magnetic, so we've got some aluminum here and some aluminum here, and pretty much the rest of it you have pretty much low-grade board over here. So simple as that, nothing too complicated. A few screws and you're in there, and then you can just either unscrew these or try to rip them apart or whatnot. Obviously, if it's working, it's worth more. You can sell it. If not, take it apart, strip it down, and make some money scrapping. For my next video, or next few videos, I'm probably gonna take apart a few cell phones in a way to show you if it's actually worth taking them apart for the board itself and selling the board, or just selling the whole cell phone. Also, I'm gonna make a video taking apart a high-end laser printer that I got that isn't working. It's not really high-end anymore. At one point you might have had to pay about $2,000 for it, but now maybe you'll be lucky to get 50 bucks if it's working. So I'm gonna go through that and show you what's in a high-end printer. I know some people have done some videos on some of those bubble jets and whatnot, and obviously those don't have much, but we'll find out what's in one of those high-end printers.